A total of 2,600 bottles of Phensedyl were recovered in 26 cartons at the container vehicle with number NL07A-9345 that was coming from out of the state. At the same time, the driver was arrested by Churaibari Watch Post Police. Once again, Assam Churaibari Watch Post Police seized the cough syrup of 25 lakh rupees on Wednesday evening. At the same time, the driver was arrested by Churaibari Watch Post Police. The name of the arrested person was Mohammad Faiz Ahmed from Tripura. It is known that on Wednesday afternoon, the container vehicle number NL07A-9345 was seized by the Assam Police working at Churaibari Police Watch Post. The vehicle was later searched. A total of 2,600 bottles of Phensedyl were recovered in 26 cartons during this search operation. At the same time, the driver was arrested by Churaibari Watch Post Police. The name of the arrested person was Mohammad Faiz Ahmed from Tripura. The black market value of which will be approximately 25 lakh rupees, said police.
কিমান 2 কাৰ্টন নেকি এটা
2 কাৰ্টন হৈ আছে এই তলত দেখা
এটা ওলাই দেখাই দিও এটা উঠাই দিও
এই দেখা এই
এটা পেকেটৰ 2 কাৰ্টন টোটাল কেইটা
13টা আছে
13টা
Chance kutu da. Kat alto kat, beshi katte na. Oi side e katle bhalo hobe. Ei rokom side e kat.
Police will present him to Karimganj District Court on Thursday after an FIR is lodged under NDPS Act against him. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.